Good morning, y'all. LL77. Wow, got it. Last day of the year. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year's. I come over to raid the fridge at my mom's. Raid the cupboard. So far, I got one peanut butter. Peanut butter with banana peanut butter. And another peanut butter. She's still sleeping. Another peanut butter. So we're doing pretty good. Yep. Now, a couple of sticks of butter. A stick of butter. Cold medication for runny nose and this cold weather. You know us Canadians. A 6-pack of eggs. 6-pack. Got my New Year's Eve 6-pack. Oh. No, I can't have 5 jugs. But I can maybe have some jam. Anyways, guys, I gotta have a coffee. Yeah, there it is, where it is. Hold tight. I'm not doing another one. Oh, hey! How you doing? Happy New Year! Breakfast man coffee, yeah. 6-pack of eggs.
You said it's not used.
5 things of peanut butter, no 4. And some jam. No jam today. So anybody who wants to send jam up to 364B, I'll be there. You see the 4 jugs of peanut butter she gave me? Even the banana kind. Holy. Can't go wrong with that. Banana peanut butter. Oh, Happy New Year's, guys. I'm going to be eating my banana peanut butter toast later. Peace, I'm out.